Hello guys, in a previous video we've seen how to create a project from the start. But what if you want to change the size of the canvas of the project now? So, in this video we are going to see how you can change the size of an already created project canvas in a Photopea web tool on a Microsoft Windows 11 PC. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell to all, so you can get notification for every video we upload. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Step 1. Go to the image option given on the upper ribbon of the UI and click on it. Step 2. Go to the canvas size option and click on it. Step 3. Now put the width and height values which you want in the provided boxes. Step 4. Leave other options as it is. Here how you have changed your canvas size successfully. That's it. So, if you find these different solutions helpful, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends who are not in the know. You can also suggest what topics we should make videos on in the comment section. Also, follow us on social media. The links are in the description and in the channel's About section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.